In this video, we are going to see the difference between web developer and web designer. Okay, at one particular point, it becomes very important to know the difference between web developer and web designer. We always think that web developer is same as web designer or web designer is same as web developer. These two fields are completely different. For web developer, we are having separate jobs. For web designer, we are having separate jobs. For web developer, we are having different skills to be learned, and for web designer, we are having different skills to be learned and master that one. Okay, these two fields are completely different. So now we are going to see the difference between them. Who is this web developer and who is web designer, and what are the tasks and what are the skills they should learn to become this particular thing. Okay, now let's understand this one. Now before understanding what is web developer, we should know what is web development. Okay, now web development is nothing but it is building and maintaining of websites. Now if you want to create a website completely from the scratch, you are going to use some languages and you are going to make your simple website. The website can be single page website or it can be huge big website. It completely depends on your project which website you want. Okay, either single page or multiple pages. Based on your requirement, you are going to make website. Web development is nothing but it is building and maintaining of websites. So each day some changes will be happening in each technology. So you should be aware of that one. You should be getting the updation of the versions, what we are updating, what they have updated in any particular language. You should always have update on that, and based on that you have to change your website. Okay, change your website design, or you have to change the coding. Okay, once we have seen what is this web development, now there are two types of developers: front-end developer and back-end developer. Now front-end developer will be working on the front-end technologies, like we are having HTML, CSS, JavaScript, we are having Bootstrap CSS framework, we are having JavaScript framework like Angular, Vue.js, libraries like React, we are having jQuery, we are having many things in front-end developers. Front-end developer will be working on the front-end design. Okay, whatever you can see from your eyes, okay, the design whenever you are visiting website, the design whatever you can see, okay, that will be designed by the front-end developers. And if you are just searching for some information in that website, how you are getting that information, whatever process it is going on behind, you will not see that process. So that is back-end developer job. Okay, he is going to do the back-end part, the code which we cannot see, the process which we cannot see, that will be done by the back-end developers, and whatever you can see from your eyes, that will be done by the front-end developers. And in our previous video, we have already discussed how we are sending the data, how we are receiving the data from the servers, how we are sending request, in return how we are getting response in the form of HTML, CSS or JavaScript, how the data will be displayed, everything we have seen. So in this video, we are not going to see that. We are just going to see the difference between web developer and web designer. Okay, for web developers, there are two types of developers: front-end developer and back-end developer. And if the person knows both the things, that is front-end developer and back-end developer, then that person can become full-stack web developer. This full-stack web developer will be working both on front-end technologies as well as back-end technologies. This full-stack web developer will be working on databases, servers, everything he should be knowing. Okay, entire process, entire knowledge and entire skill he should be having to make one complete usable website. Okay, to make one complete dynamic usable website for the user, and it should be adding more value to the user. Whenever users search for something, it should be giving the perfect result. Okay, you should be having good coding skill if you want to become full stack web developer. And also you should learn all the new technologies coming into market. You should always research on that, which technology is rising. You should always keep noting that one. You should always have regular updates on that one, what technologies is been introduced, what regular updates you are having, everything you should keep note on that. If you want to become full stack web developer, then you should be working both on front end and back end technologies. Now some of the front end technologies are, we are having HTML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It is the building block of any website. Okay, if you want to create any website, then without HTML we cannot create any website. We want this basic block. Without basics we cannot go to advanced. So we need this HTML to build any kind of website. Okay, now this HTML is going to add structure to our website, and if I just want to add colors to the website, then we have to use CSS. CSS stands for cascading style sheet, and it will be giving colors to the website, what font size you want, what borders you want. Okay, everything it is going to do using CSS. And if you want to add interactivity to your website, then we are going to use JavaScript. If you select JavaScript as your front end, then that will be very useful, because JavaScript also comes under backend programming language. Okay, using Node.js we can run JavaScript outside the browser. Okay, that is nothing but servers. If you want to go with JavaScript, then also you can go with JavaScript, because for backend programming language you don't have to learn any other programming language. Directly from JavaScript you can just jump into backend programming as well. and also we are having JavaScript frameworks like we are having AngularJS, we are having Vue.js, and also React. But React is a library, but because of its popularity and flexibility, most of the developer call React as a framework. So you can call either library or React. And also we are having many front-end technologies, like if you want to become front-end developer, you should be familiar with version control system, that is Git, and also you should be knowing about Git, GitHub, GitLab. Okay, many things you are there, and I have already uploaded video on how to become front-end developer. Okay, if you want, you can just refer that one. I will be providing the link in the description. Okay, these are the front-end technologies you have to know to become a front-end developer. And for backend technologies, you should know about these programming languages, like we have Java, Python, Ruby, .NET, PHP. Okay, you can select any one of the programming language. You don't have to learn all the thing. You just have to master any one of the programming language, so that it will be very useful and it will be adding value to your resume. And if you want to get job, you will be getting the job easily if you master any one programming language. Now backend programmers will be working completely on servers. They will be writing the code in such a way that whatever information client needs, that will be analyzed inside the servers, and that data will be displayed to the client. Okay, how that process happens, we are going to write in the backend code, and whatever we write in backend code and whatever process is going on in the backend, that we will not be knowing. Okay, that is nothing but we users will not be knowing the process. Okay, to become backend developer, you should learn any one of this programming language. You should be familiar with the database. You should know what are servers, how we are communicating with the database, how we are getting the data from the database. Okay, you should know everything about that if you want to become backend developer. Now, once you learn both front end and backend technologies, then you can go for full stack web developer. Okay, you can apply jobs for full stack web developer. Okay, now who is web designer? So before understanding who is web designer, let's understand what is web design. Okay, web design, it is the process of researching, planning, conceptualizing, and arranging content or design elements online. Okay, whatever layout we want for the website. Okay, now web developer is completely different and web designer is completely different. Now web developer is going to create a website and web designer will be providing the layout for that website. Okay, in form of images, web designer is going to give the layout of the website. They will just give where the heading should be displayed, where the images will be there, in desktop how our website is going to look, in mobile how our website is going to look. Okay, I'll just show you this one. Okay, this kind of layout web designer is going to provide us, and using this layout web developers will be coding that one, and he is going to make the website ready, and web designer will be giving this kind of layout. Web designers will just give visual representation of our website, how it is going to look in our desktop, in our mobile. Okay, however it is going to look in all the screen devices, they are going to make separate layout for that in the form of images or okay. And also they should be familiar with logo designs, and also they should be familiar with the typography, what font should be used, what color should be used inside the websites. They should always take care of that, and they should be more creative in doing that one. Web designers should be more creative to make the website look beautiful in all the screen devices. Now the question is, should web designers learn coding? Okay, web designers, as I told you, they are just going to create the layers for the website, and seeing that layout, we the web developers will be designing the code for our website. So is it necessary that web designers should learn coding? No, it's not mandatory, and also it's not necessary, but it will be great if you learn just basic of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And if you learn basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, then you will understand the web developer's point of view. Okay, what they want to tell, how they want to communicate with you, you can really understand that one, and using their knowledge and using your knowledge, you can create more beautiful website. And if you are familiar with some of the basic technologies, then it will be more useful. You don't have to master any languages, you just have to know the basic of coding, or you just have to know basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then you can select your field as web designer as well. You should be creative, you should be more creative, you should be having the knowledge of logo designs, you should be working with Adobe, Photoshop. Okay, you should be more familiar with all those things. Okay, you should master any one of the software, like we are having Photoshop, Adobe, Illustrator, we are having many softwares. You can master any one of this, and using your creativity, using your brain, you can give any layer to your website, you can give any colors. And also you should be familiar with the colors, typography, line height, font size, everything you should be familiar. And also you should know what will be the default size of the headings, what will be the default size of paragraphs. You should know all this basic knowledge, only then you will be able to design the layout, and that layout should look good on all the screen devices. Okay, it should be responsive. using and seeing that layout, web developers will be getting the idea how they have to write the code, and based on that layout they will be writing the code, and they are going to make the website as the layout is provided by the web designer. So you should understand there is a large difference between web developer and web designer. Web developer will going to develop the website and web designer will be designing the website. Okay, they are not going to do any coding part, they are just going to design the website, and using that design or seeing that design, web developer will be creating the website. Okay, if you want to become a web designer, then we are having UX designer and UI designer. UX stands for user experience and UI stands for user interface. Inside web developer also we are having UX developer and UI developer, but as of now we are just going to see what is UX design and UI design. UX stands for user experience. UX developer should be adding more value to the clients. Okay, now suppose if I just take an example of mobile. Now old people, they are just going to use mobile only for calling purpose or only for seeing some things. For old people it should be comfortable, and smaller children are going to see YouTube videos. Okay, everything, whatever design we are making, that design should be making comfortable to both old people and also for smaller children. Keeping user experience in mind, they are just going to design in such a way that user will be comfortable using their products. Like it will be having interactions designs, how much time the user will be inside the website, everything they are going to do that one. And also wireframes, prototypes, information architecture, user research, scenarios, everything is done by UX designer. Okay, everything is done by UX designer. They are just going to keep the track of how much the user is in their website. Okay, everything they are going to do, and also they should make the device in such a way that it should be used in all the ages, and for all the age groups it should be matching. Okay, for each age group they are not going to create separate mobiles. In only one mobile itself they are going to add all the facilities to all the age group people. So we have to design in such a way that it should be useful by everyone. Okay, that is the job of UX designer. And UI designer will be taking care of all the colors, whatever colors we need to use inside the website, what font family we have to use, how much font size should be there. They should be familiar with the typography, the text size, the heading, everything they should be knowing. Okay, these are the two jobs you will be getting. If you want to start a career as a web designer, then either you can become UX designer or UI designer. Okay, based on your interest, you can become any one of this or you can become both of this. Okay, completely depends on your choice. Now let's see web developer versus web designer. Now web designers are very creative in nature and web developers are more technical in nature. To become a web designer, you should be more creative so that you can think, so that you can create your own designs. You don't have to copy from entire thing. That design, whatever you are creating, that should be coming from your own mind. Okay, you can definitely refer from any website, but whatever layout you are creating, that should be unique from others. And web developers are more technical in nature. They should be having technical mind. They should always be searching. They should always be thinking how it is going to work. What code should I write so that this data will be displayed here, so that that button will be working here, so that always they will be thinking how it is going to happen. Now web designers transform the ideas into visually appealing designs, and web developers transform designs into fully functional website. Okay, as I told you, web designers, they are going to represent layout. Okay, in visual format they are going to represent, and web developers, using that representation, they are going to make fully functional website. Web designers use tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Dreamweaver, Sketch, etc. Okay, there are many softwares which will be used by the web designers to create amazing layers, and web developers should be familiar with the front-end languages, back-end languages. They should be familiar with the databases, servers. Okay, languages like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Python, PHP, Ruby, jQuery. Okay, they should be familiar with many programming languages. Web designers, if they know only the basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, then they can move with the flow along with web developer. This is the major difference between web developer and web designer. These two fields is completely different and they are having their own career path. Web developer is having their own career path and web designer is having his own career path. You can select any one of this, but advantage of becoming a web developer is you will be having more salary when compared to web designer. Web designer will be having less salary when compared to web developer. Okay, but it completely depends on your interest. Whichever makes you happy, you can go with that field and you can learn that particular skills, and that skills will going to earn you a lot of money. Okay, that's all from my end. If you are having any issues, you can DM me in Instagram. I'll be providing the link in the description. Okay, you can directly DM me and I will try to answer all your queries. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.